Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is Wednesday, April 7th. Look, I've got my Wildcat Wednesday shirt on. I'm pretty sure I said that yesterday was Monday to at least half of the students in morning assembly. Sorry about that. It was actually Tuesday, and today's Wednesday. I hope you had a great day back from spring break. We're going to talk about water bottles during morning assembly today. Let's do the Pledge of Allegiance first. Can you please stand at attention? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, so here's what we're talking about. Water bottles. It's getting hot. This year's been weird because of COVID. We turned off the drinking fountains. What a weird thing to do at a school. The nice thing is, we want you guys to have water. So Mrs. Sobrero has been filling your water bottles, and Mrs. Maletic has been filling those, and Mrs. Baber, they've been filling them all year. And giving you a water bottle if you don't have one. Well, guess what? We just got a cool new water bottle filler in the Life Center. Some of you have already used it. I tried to take a video this morning, didn't quite work out. So I'm just going to tell you how it works. You go in the Life Center, and there's this water bottle filler, and all you have to do is take your water bottle. Sorry, that might have been loud. And you just hold it under the filler until it's almost full, and then remove it, and then drink all the fresh, delicious water that you want. It's amazing. Do not come to the office. We don't have any more water bottles, and we didn't bring any water to fill your water. So you have to go to the Life Center to fill those up. Some of you might have forgot a water bottle. We really are out of the disposable ones in the office. We do have a few cups. So if you forgot a water bottle, we're going to have a cup, but just for a couple of days. So you need to remember to bring your water bottle. That's like top priority. It's going to start getting really hot here in the next couple weeks, and you're going to drink a ton of water. I want you to talk about this morning during class. What is your classroom procedure for leaving and going to the Life Center? Teachers, do you want them to take a buddy? Do you want them to go solo? Talk about that. Let them know what you expect. Let's talk a little bit about, you know what, if you're in the Life Center filling your water bottle, you need to just be in and out. That's not a hangout area, okay? So in there, fill it up, and then come right back to class. Have a great day, Achieve. I'll see you later. Bye.